Hi, I'm Allie McAllerson, and this is Ingredients, the baking show about baking, where every week our contestants will face off to figure out who the best amateur baker is for $1 million prize. And these are our contestants.
Hello, my name is Katelynn. I am a 3-time world champion gingerbread house builder. I am taking this competition very seriously, and I'm here to win the $1 million.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm not a chef, but I graduated from Le Cordon Bleu, and I'm ready to win.
Hi guys, I'm Madison, and I'm gluten-free, dairy-free, corn-free, soy-free, grain-free, all the frees. And I'm here to teach all the judges how to live a healthy lifestyle.
What's your secret weapon?
Fear.
My secret weapon? Pretending to know what I'm doing.
My secret weapon is cake decorating.
Where's her hat?
I don't do hats.
Hello and welcome to week 4. This week our contestants will be making gingerbread houses. And the winner of last week was Katelynn, so she will receive today's secret ingredient, which is Lego people.
Oh my God! Look at how cute she is. Hi, I'm gonna name you Sarah. You're gonna name Sarah.
So contestants,
I love it.
are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah,
Your time
let's do it.
begins now.
Honestly, did I ever tell you guys about the one time I was a 3-time reigning champion of cookie bread?
Yeah,
Kinda rude, but whatever.
sounds personal.
That's why I'm not sharing my gingerbread
scared
with you.
too.
I mean, my Lego people with you, because they're mine.
So
It
this
looks
is
like a puzzle. Josh, she talks to Lego.
Did you see his cake? It was so bad.
I don't know who talks to Lego people. Like, is this like she's a
Oh my gosh, it comes off so cute.
she's breaking her Legos. Like, literally, she's breaking them.
I could use this.
Oh, I don't know if I want red.
Can I use the scissors? I'm missing a piece.
This is difficult. Guys, I'm actually really confused.
Hello, Madison.
Hi.
How you feeling?
I'm really struggling.
Yeah.
I just think that if Katelynn would share the Lego people, even though they're kind of weird, I think if she shared them, like, we would win, you know? If we could just all have the Lego people.
Well, good luck to you. Hopefully your house stays stable.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay, well, great. Hello, Josh.
How are you today?
I am doing wonderful. How are you?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
It looks like your gingerbread house is staying stable right now.
Yeah, it's staying stable. I just, you know what? I don't understand the point of these Lego. Like, it's not fair that we don't get them. Like, I know that everyone wins this surprise at the end, or this special ingredient, or whatever it is. And I understand that, but then, like, I feel like she's gonna win this because of it, and it's just not. I feel like this should be a fair game, you know. Like, if she could have shared, one of them with me and Madison, like, it would be a fair game, you know. So that's where I am. But besides that, I'm doing good. I mean, it is what it is.
Great. Well, good luck with your house.
Thank you so
Hopefully,
much.
it goes well. Hello, Katelynn.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I am so good. And before you can ask me, I'm definitely not sharing my Lego people with them. I've grown a relationship with them, and they're now my family. So I will not be sharing them. So
Okay.
don't even ask me.
Are they going to be involved in your house in any way?
They are living in my house, so
Okay.
I don't understand the question.
Got it. Well, what's your inspiration here with your house?
It's called One Big Family. You know, I just really felt when you open the lid a bond with those Lego people. And so I just want them to feel at home, because if they don't feel at home, then what's the point, you know? This is for them. So that's really the inspiration that I have today. Also, I've won so many competitions before that at this point it's just easy, and I feel like I'm gonna win. So I just want to make it about them. You know what I mean?
Okay, well, good luck to you.
Thanks.
Good luck, contestants.
Thank you.
gingerbread round.
The last round.
I'm
Yes.
excited about this round. The ultimate judgment.
The ultimate.
Yeah.
So how is everybody feeling?
Very excited to pass judgment.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and start with Madison's.
Oh, yes. It's a little Art Deco house. She's got.
It's different.
It is. It's different.
Yeah, I like how the roof
The roof.
is like curved down. I like the little splatter of color in
Yeah,
there as well. Jacques, what do you think about this?
I'm getting a very Salvador Dali persistence of memory.
I didn't even understand that.
Don't know what those
You
words
know what
mean.
I like about this house, outside of the overall 70s vibe? It looks like the washing machine overflowed and all the soap just gushed out of the back of the house.
Yeah.
And so,
Wonderful.
bonus points for that.
Definitely art.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
And it's gluten free.
So what should we grade this?
I'm gonna give this a 6. A 6.
Okay. I'm gonna give this a 9.
What?
Wow.
A 9?
9?
Yes, I think it's great.
Unbelievable.
Jock, how do you feel about this
Jock.
gingerbread?
I despise surrealism. I give it a 0.2.
Okay, we're gonna pray for Jacques after this episode.
Pray for. I will pray for you, sir.
I covet your
Jacques,
prayers,
Jacques.
Jacques.
Okay.
All right, what do we got next?
This one is Josh's.
Josh's.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
What happened?
This is a post-earthquake
Yeah.
gingerbread house, I
What
think.
happened to this?
When our contestant was bringing it to the table, he unfortunately had a downfall, if you will.
This is
and
on-
he dropped his.
This was on the
It-
ground.
He was on the
floor.
ground.
Yes.
Rookie
So-
mistake.
Yeah, wow.
So you can say it's feng shui. You can say it's different.
Yeah.
What is
It looks like an earthquake.
It does
Yeah.
look like an earthquake. I like the green, maybe where grass stirred up.
Jacques,
Yeah.
Jacques, what do you think?
what are your thoughts?
I am embarrassed. This will be
Wow,
presented to
Jacques.
me.
Holy guacamole.
So what do you rate it, Jock?
I do not rate. Trash.
Jacques refuses to rate this gingerbread house. This is insane.
I am
That's
insulted.
never
I cannot look at it. So cover my eyes. Use my hand. Cover my eyes.
Okay, I'll help you here, Jacques.
Oh.
Don't look at it. He's
Okay.
not gonna look at it, guys.
What
Wow.
would you two rate this gingerbread house?
You know, I think there's a lot of effort that went into this. I'm gonna give it.
No
I'm
effort.
gonna give it an 8.
You're kidding me. That's ridiculous. I give it a 1. A 1. A 1.
A 1.
1.
Okay.
Get it out of my face.
Well, next
Oh my gosh.
would be
Look,
Katelyn's gingerbread house.
look at this.
Unbelievable.
Ain't it sweet?
Wow.
It is twin brothers in the
Yeah.
front.
This.
They appear to be bleeding.
Did you guys hear about the fact that she is a worldwide gingerbread championship?
I
winner?
didn't realize that in the early 90s she won the Gingerbread
Yeah.
Junior
I
World Championship.
can see it with the detail.
Yeah.
The dinosaur on top of the house, the everything about it
It's
just
unbelievable.
screams
And it is
professional.
It
structurally
literally is
sound.
yelling, perfection, perfection!
This
I hear it.
is not trash.
Oh, it actually
not-
looks like a home.
Jacques, it looks like a home that Jacques would want to live, I would say.
The Lego people make it a home.
Yeah.
It's a home. It's a home.
Absolutely.
Listen, I'm just going to go right for it. I give it a 10 out of 10.
Jock, what do you give it?
A 7.
Wow, the highest
7.
score he's ever given, folks.
I have never given a 7 before in my life.
Wow.
7.
I'm gonna give it a 10 as well.
Wow.
Good job, Katelynn. Good
Wow,
job.
wonderful.
Wait. Jacques has a question.
Oh.
Yes.
Question.
Does she share her Lego people?
Oh wait.
You know what?
Hopes.
Did she share her Lego people?
Sharing your people and your treasure is very important to Jacques.
I don't believe she did.
Did they ask her to share?
They did.
They did. Oh. Disqualified.
Welcome to the last and final week of ingredients. The winner of the competition. Well, it should have been Katelynn,
Wait.
Wait,
What?
what do you mean should have been Kate?
but she didn't share.
Wait, so who wins the money?
Yeah.
So the winner.
Where's the money?
I-
Where's the money?
I came here.
You need to give me the money.
The winner of the $1 million is me.
What? Hold on!
Wait.